Hello, Kenta friends. In today's video, we will be exploring 3 fantastic Android applications for creating menus and price lists. Let's dive in and see how Lisi Menu Maker, Price List Menu Maker, and Flyer Menu Maker can elevate your promotional materials. Lisi Menu Maker. Lisi Menu Maker is an Android application that helps users easily create visually appealing menus for various purposes. With this app, users can seamlessly design menus for restaurants, cafes, events, or any other business that requires a menu. Lisi Menu Maker provides a user-friendly interface with a wide range of customizable templates, fonts, colors, and graphics to suit different branding needs. Users can also add images, pricing, and descriptions to their menus to make them more informative and attractive. Overall, Lisi Menu Maker is a handy tool for individuals or businesses looking to create professional menus quickly and efficiently. Price List Menu Maker. Price List Menu Maker is an Android app designed to assist users in creating effective price lists for their products or services. This app offers a simple and intuitive platform for users to input pricing information, product descriptions, and images to generate visually appealing price lists. Price List Menu Maker provides customizable templates, font styles, and color options to enable users to tailor their price lists to their brand identity. Whether it's for a small business, freelancer, or anyone needing a price list, this app simplifies the process of creating professional-looking lists with ease. Flyer Menu Maker. Flyer Menu Maker is an Android application that allows users to design and create attractive flyers for promoting events, products, or services. This app offers a variety of templates, fonts, colors, and graphics to help users customize their flyers according to their needs and preferences. Flyer Menu Maker features an intuitive interface that makes it easy for users to add text, images, and other design elements to create eye-catching flyers. Whether it's for a business promotion, party invitation, or any other event, this app provides users with the tools to craft professional-looking flyers. And there you have it, folks. We've just uncovered 3 powerful tools that can take your menu and flyer designs to the next level. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.